took a minute.
Greetings YouTube, Alina Specatch from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, right here in the Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And roughly about 40 days ago, YouTube, we brought you guys a video that we titled Growing Keitt Mango Trees, Day 110. That was again about 40 days ago. We showed you guys in that video how our then 110-day-old Keitt mango tree had stopped growing due to the fact that it had overgrown the small pot that we had it growing in. It was completely root bound and it had completely stopped growing. Where in that video, we actually transplanted our then 110-day-old Keitt mango tree into a pot that was approximately 3 to 4 times larger than the pot that it was in at that time, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what has happened since we up-potted our 110-day-old Keitt mango tree into a larger pot. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, here we are, YouTube, here near the rear end of our high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube. We have our now 150-day-old Keitt mango tree that we up-potted into a 3-gallon container, YouTube, sitting right here on our bench here in our high tunnel greenhouse. I'm going to swing this camera around for you guys and show you guys exactly what has happened in approximately the past 40 days, YouTube, since we up-potted our then 110-day-old Keitt mango tree from a 1/2 gallon container into a 3-gallon container. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you guys see the tremendous amount of new growth that our now 150-day-old Keitt mango tree has put on in approximately the past 40 days, YouTube, since we up-potted it from a 1/2 gallon container into this 3-gallon container, YouTube. It has grown upward by approximately this much. That's about 2, maybe 2.5 inches. It's about 2.5 inches taller. And just look at these pretty new leaves, and they're huge, YouTube, a lot larger than the previous leaves that were on this plant. That again tells us that the issue with our Keitt mango tree was that we had it in a container that was far too small for its root ball. If you haven't been following the video series on this particular Keitt mango tree, we named this Keitt mango tree after our good friend Brett. That's Lionheart 84 over in the UK. Brett, as you can see, my friend, as you can see, you are indeed, Brett, at day 150, Brett, at day 150, you are indeed looking fantastic here in our 20-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse. We're hoping indeed, Brett, that you continue to grow well for us here. Most things at our greenhouse, not everything, but most things here at our greenhouse seem to be doing fairly well here. Late November here, we have had some cooler outside temperatures, but our greenhouse here remains roughly, Brett, again, about 20 degrees warmer than whatever the outside temperatures is here. And thus far this fall, our lowest temperatures of 2020 have been 39 degrees. We're expecting some cooler temperatures here over the next several days. Our low for the week, this coming week, is supposed to be 35 if I'm not mistaken, YouTube. And if temperatures for some reason drop lower than what we consider acceptable here inside of our greenhouse, we do have a small garage heater that we'll just simply bring in here and plug in and keep this thing warm. But I'm not anticipating having to do that. Again, Quick Tent did a fairly good job in designing this greenhouse. It keeps the indoor temperatures again about 20 degrees warmer than the outdoor temperatures. The humidity level is controllable in here. We do have 2 circulation fans. We have a ceiling fan mounted in the center of our greenhouse here, up in the top, and we have a box fan at the entrance of our greenhouse that blows a cross breeze across the whole the entirety of the greenhouse here. So at any rate, our now 150-day-old Keitt mango tree, Lionheart 84, in its new 3-gallon container. And again, YouTube, it is looking fantastically well. We're super excited about that. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on growing Keitt mango trees from seeds, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Keitt mango trees from seeds, day 150. And Lionheart 84 is indeed looking well. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. A lion unleashed ain't got no competition. And if you test me, best believe that I'ma hit you. Green dots and I ain't never gonna miss you. Like Leonardo watches lion paint a perfect picture. Have you reflecting, talking to the man in the mirror? And it's a shame why this lion's out here chasing fame. So many haters out there trying to take this lion's name. Open up your third eye, look into your mind. Stay in your own lane, my only limit is the sky. I'm in your hood, rolling solo, kept me passing by. Another faking hater, I can see it in your eyes. I'm on a mission, get this paper, call me paper chaser. Ain't never gonna run, this lion's gonna turn and face you. Come near me, disappear, and they gon' call me the eraser. Test my lady, she gon' rip you like an alligator. I'm always solo when you see me on my city streets. When it's down, cause all them jackals know I'm packing heat. Music loud, smoking head, bobbing to the beat. This song goes out to all my haters and my enemies. If you was asking about me, I'm up on the ceiling. If you was looking for some dope, I'm not a dealer. But when it comes to dope lyrics, I can spit it. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. I don't know why y'all out there hating. The world plate is big enough for all of us to